Hey, what is it again? What is this? What is this? Let's see. What is this? Yay! What is that again? What is this? Limousine. Is it your favorite car? Huh? Hey, this is your favorite car. Limousine. Limousine. Yay!
Are you happy? Do you want to give me a hug? Again, Amma can hug. Amma's limousine. You want me to give a hug?
Come here. Come here again. Come this side. Can you open the doors? Can you open the doors? How many doors are there? Huh? Again? How many doors are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Hey. Hey, moonroof. Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, moonroof. Open, close it. Yay. You like it?
Actually, இது எல்லாமே வாங்கிருக்கலாம்.
What's my yellow card?
Where's your yellow car?
I don't know.
I don't know.
It's missing. Okay, ride the limousine.